Hi Dumpling, it's me. I'm sending you a video of the Snowstorm 2010. It is January 30th, and we are in the midst of a blizzard, and it's been snowing since 3 a.m. this morning, according to the news. And we woke up this morning to about 6 inches of snow, and it's supposed to continue until this evening. And it's really nice, crisp, dry snow for once. So I went out this morning and took care of all the animals, and everyone looks very happy. And the chickens got to explore the snow, and they also laid an egg today. Very exciting times. Took lots of pictures of the farm in the snow, so I hope that you like it and you check out the pictures on the blog. Love you, Dumpling. Bye.